picked up my package. It's my little Akaso. Look at, they put all these warnings. Okay, we're gonna open it up. Okay, I sliced it with my knife. This is hard and it's not the best lighting. That was a little bit better. I'm in my semi, I'm working today. Sorry. Nothing else. Ooh, some coffee stuff. Oh, Ginger, quit. Look at, she thinks, no, get back. Get back. Oh, she thinks she's got to be in the middle of everything. Hold on. Okay. It's the Akaso Action Camera V50 Pro. I had actually ordered a different one on a review that I had watched from a great channel that gets great reviews. But then after that, I saw a review about that same action camera that needed updates done to it, and I was like, oh, forget that. So I watched another one of his reviews, and this is the one that I decided. I returned the other action camera and ordered this one. So here I am. Look, I'm in line waiting. Hey, Bing. Anybody behind me? Nope, not yet. But it's beautiful out. Look at this. So nice. So I'm going to turn you off for a minute because I can't hold this and open. Okay, so I took the shrink wrap off of it. And this is the information that's on the box. You read that. Oh. Look at this. No, I'm not going to talk about it because I don't know anything about these kind of things, so...
Gonna do 2 more small drops on you.
So here's some more information. And then on the back, or the side, it's waterproof to 98 feet. Dang, I doubt I'm going to be going that deep. Touchscreen, image stabilization. That is what I need. Okay, so hold on, I'll open it up. Okay, so this is the dangest thing. Try getting it out this way. It's got a little handle. Pull, pull, pull. I can't figure it out. I had to open the bottom. So hold on a second and I'll start pulling stuff out. The first thing, it looks like a lens cloth cleaner. And it's got some zip ties. I think that might be some kind of magnet. I don't know. And, oh, just kind of like the GoPro. About the accessories. Here's... I have a lot of GoPro accessories, so hopefully this is interchangeable. Put that up there. There's another one. That's a sticky pad, I'm sure. Y'all probably know the formal names of these. I don't. Another accessory. Wow, they give you a lot of stuff in here. Another mounting accessory. And this must be for the, maybe an extra or backing for the Akaso. It has got the, what do you call that? You know, the plugger-inner thingy. then here's the strap. It's probably, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a strap, so imagine it's got little, I don't know. Sometime I'll hook it all together and we can look at it, what it's for. Here's another accessory. It's got the screw mount. Too many crickets. There's a lot of stuff in here. And still another accessory. Man, I'm gonna have a lot. One of my favorite, these silica gel packs. Save those. Okay, this is just the camera frame, so you don't have to, it doesn't have to be, you know, if you don't need it for waterproof or anything. Lordy, you guys. This one looks like a handlebar mount. I think GoPro, I have one of those also that I had with my GoPro. I can't tell what this one is. Oh, this is, oops. Well, we'll look at that later because it fell. I think it was a battery deal. Oh, yep, here's a battery. And here's the wrist thing. And it's got the controls for the camera, the video. That's pretty cool. I don't think the batteries are interchangeable with GoPro, but I'm not sure. We'll have to see. There's another battery. Okay, hold on. I'm going to be moving here in just a second. Okay, so that thing I dropped, yep, that's the battery charger. And it's got a little plug to plug it in. Still pulling things out, y'all. This, I don't know, we'll have to figure that one out. This one didn't come in a bag. Or it might have, it probably did, it just fell out. And then gives you a card, want to hear from you, get free accessories. Ooh, that's cool. And then your quick reference guide. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so it took a little doing, but I was able to pull the inner part out for the camera. Man, I don't have any good lighting. Better, I don't know. I haven't detached it from the base yet. So, sorry. Ugh. But here you can see the buttons, and it clearly tells you. Of course, you can't see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is probably the worst unboxing ever. But those of you who've been with me, you know how unprofessional I am anyway. So I did take a picture. I'll put at the end of this. But here's all the goodies that came with it. Most of you probably know these are, they're not magnets, they're, I don't know, some kind of pads. Some of this stuff I don't know what it is. It came with 2 of these. It's you can undo it by this clasp. And so it hooks around something. So you got 2 of those. And this one is it's Velcro. You got 2 of those. Don't know what that one's for. Those are zip ties. A whole bunch of connectors. And those are the slider things that the sliders go into, the connectors. This I don't know what it is. It must be maybe to tighten, like a little wrench. And then you've got the casing for the camera just to hold it. It's not waterproof or anything. Another backing, which I'm sure probably goes on this. I don't know. Your connector cord. and then it's hard to see, but this is your control. It's a bracelet kind of, and it has, I'm so sorry, I'm running out of light, but this is what it has on here. And then the Akaso. So hopefully I'm going to try to learn how to do all of this and get some good footage. Alrighty, y'all. Talk to you later. Adios.